How's it guys? Sharp from Solar Tilt. So originally we had this one panel screwed down onto our only north facing pitch, flat on it. There is our Solar Tilt system on a south facing pitch facing north now. We've also got an east pitch there. On the other side we got an east pitch. There we've also got a south pitch. So the only pitch I have that's north is this little pitch here. So if you can see that side, we've installed our other brackets on our Solar Tilt. Okay, the purpose of today's changeover we're doing is we're losing charge on these panels because this panel's flat. So it was a test I was running to see how much a tilt actually can change the charge on your panels. So now we're installing our panels on this roof to face north as it is, but with a tilt, so it's at an angle. So you'll see how we install this is we assemble all our brackets onto our IBR fixings. We mark out where on our roof it's going. This is a tape we supply to seal the holes that we put in, and our new ones are going to go back in those holes. You'll see over there we put them back into the holes. That's how we design our bracket. Okay, so now he's putting the bracket onto the tape. So we already had a hole in the roof over there. That is where our tape is going to seal it. Now he's going to drive the screw back in there, which has also got a waterproof washer on the screw itself. Now that hole cannot leak. As you can see, what's happened here is it's actually pushed right through. The tape is actually pushed right through onto the other side. Right. Now he's going to drive a new screw in on this side with our tape over there, and that hole will also be sealed. Right, so now what you can see is our bracket will stand by itself, screwed directly into the wood, not into the zinc with a little tech screw like most systems are designed. So it actually holds properly, because you get a lot of wind force on a Solar Tilt system, and you need to make sure that it's not just held by a little tech screw in a zinc, it needs to actually be held by the actual structure of the roof. Okay, right, so now we got our long leg tilts installed, we've got our base brackets installed. Now we're going to go around. We need to start tightening up the bolts we've put into the rail over here. You'll see what we have in here is a riv nut. See, there's a riv nut, so we just need to tighten up. We need to tighten up these bolts over here like that. We need to tighten up these bolts over here and those bolts down there, and do the same there and here and there. And once it's all tightened up, we can start installing our solar panel. Okay, now our solar panels are installed. We've got our tilt right. Very important note to keep in mind, these panels, when they touch the roof, they steady up the whole structure. Very important when installing. As you can see, they're touching the roof there. I can come here and I can push as hard as I want. It doesn't move. I can push on this side. It's not pushing left or right. Quite a sturdy installation. Okay, just going to do a wind test. Okay, push as hard as you can. Push. Okay, doesn't even budge. Thanks.